Hi, my name is Faith, and today you're gonna see my slime that I made right now. So I made a silver slime, and it's slime I made with my mom today, and it's really stretchy. And I like it because it's really stretchy, and it's really like squishy. And
What are you gonna share that we created a new game with slime?
yes,
What is it called?
Ninja Pop.
How do you play it?
You play it like this. So someone has to make slime, and someone has to vote for the slime, and whoever doesn't get the most votes has to sell their slime.
I thought you pull the slime as far as it goes, and then you try to clap it together and you pop it.
No, that's how mine.
Well, the game that I came up with is called Ninja Pop as well. And this is how you play my game of slime. Hold on. Ready? You get it and form it into like a nice little ball. Okay? And then you take one end and your partner takes the other end. And you stretch them out like this and then apart. Ready? And then you see, and then flap over. Oh!
It's not that cool.
No,
We tried
it was cool the first time. And then you just crunch and... Oh, who's that?
Cameraman.
Where's your slime? Did you make slime? That's a little...
And a little bit about my slime, I added glitter a lot, and I added white and silver
Where's
with
your-
it, and then it became this color.
Ooh, yeah? Okay, and then what did Haven make?
This is what I even made. It's a little bit too. Hey, don't call my slime that. It's like
Cotton candy.
It's a lot stretchier than mine's.
Cotton candy.
Yeah, it's like cotton candy.
Cool. Do you have anything else to say?
I got. And we're gonna show you some slimes that we have made right now. Let me go get them.
Whoa. Good stress reliever. Oh, yes.
What is it?
Hey. You're being rude.
Oh,
Oh,
snap.
wow. Let's see. Well, we haven't... Oh, shoot. It's all right. It's all good.
So, this is one of the slimes that I made a long time ago.
Okay.
I'm trying to get it out.
Yeah. You have to make sure, just like nail polishes,
And
you
this
gotta
is what
keep
it
them up
looked
or they'll
like.
go bad.
I know. Looks like this one went bad.
Or it looks like it dissipated. What the heck? Okay, someone got that out. There's no way that's all that's left. There was a lot in there.
Haven.
Is there a slime ninja?
But this is what it looks like. I like it because it's still stretchy still, and it is still glittery.
Yeah, that's called Starry Night.
Star Night
Yeah.
goes night. So So I like the slime because it's really blue. I like blue in real life. So I hope you don't see that because.
My favorite, I think, let me go get my favorite slime.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Okay, hold that. Oh, shoot. Wait, I don't know if this is a great idea right here. Okay.
Okay.
Do not let that get out of hand,
Okay.
because it will.
So a little bit more about my slime is that it is really farty. It's really farty. But I'm not going to show you some farts. That's one fart. Wait, where did my mom go? I forgot where she went. But comment if you see
her favorite
someone peeking in the window. We've been hearing the assemblating, so please, just please, okay?
Oh, come on.
Just tell us if you hear something or see something. Well, I'll see my sleepy head. My dad is here. My dad is working.
Why are you making videos?
My dad's working. Oh, snap. You heard nothing. Oh, Mom's back. Look,
Okay, but you can't just leave it there, because the slime has a mind of its own. It will turn into the blob before you even know
Mom.
it. Okay? We don't have good angles here, or lighting. But, hey, and I just nailed you in the head. In the head. I like this one. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Obviously, I have not. Hold on. Hey, little fingers, get away.
That's mine.
Is this one yours?
Yeah.
Okay, we need some activator in that. Just like nail polish, right?
It's a pearl. What are you
Okay.
doing?
Okay, I don't know.
I did this.
Okay, then that's yours, whatever.
How dare you?
Take it. Take it away from here.
Did you think it? Did you? Oh,
That
this
one
is
was
totally
like-
mine.
Not that great. This is my
Yes,
favorite one
this
right
is
here.
totally great.
Totally not that great. See how pretty.
You get
That one is my prettiest one.
Post this online.
And the cool thing
Hi, I'm the cameraman.
is you could find a lot of supplies at the 99-cent store and also the Dollar Tree.
Oh,
I am an expert shopper.
No. Now you're
It is not a good thing.
Shop. Slime and toy in the Daddy? Why did the milk cross the road? Because it needed more communication.
Oh man.
I'm just kidding. You need to
Really? Okay, that one was like no bueno. Oh man. Our slime is getting a little out of hand over here. We made too much this time around. Okay.
so this is one of the slimes I made.
I don't know. I did not realize like that. Oh yes.
Ah, mine's
Thank you.
Mine's an activator.
Totally.
Can you please put this in mine? Mom, can you please put my slime off me? Pretty please.
Oh my gosh, seriously? We're on
That was slime. Really, it was slime.
that's the only downfall is the slime
The slime
goes
was
bad.
I think
After a while.
Mommy's. Because we're supposed to play with it, and if we don't, it will
goes
go
bad.
Your slime is still good, or is it bad? Mine is really bad.
Don't touch your homework folder.
Wait, Mom, one day, actually, I want to go on a trip. Like Hawaii.
You have to take your plane.
But I don't want to. So I want to go in a car.
No, we can't drive there.
Can you please? But one, can you please? You're not even helping me.
Okay, well, how can I help you when I have the same issue?
I'm just really going sting.
Okay. Okay, I'm not even gonna attempt those ones. I'm pretty sure they're all bad. Because we did this one in what, early
Ew, we
in
should
January?
solve-
In January?
Can you please help me with mine?
Okay, ready? Ninja Pop.
Let's play the game.
Ready? Watch out.
Well, can I play my game after you?
Yeah, hold on. Watch out. Let's see. We'll see who has the better presentation of Ninja Pop. Hey, really? Don't do that.
Hey! And I forgot to tell you. I got my chair.
Ready?
I got my chair, Daddy. And I got my desk. Yay!
It's like making a pretzel. Yes.
And the winners are... Where's that? It's the golden!
Mom, can I play my game, please? Please. Can I please tell
Oh,
about
yes. Oh, yes. Like in that cracked snackle pop.
Mom? Mom.
It's face slime.
Can you please stop it?
Okay, sorry.
Playing with my slime.
Okay.
So guys, my slime
Sorry, I dropped some.
was like, as you know what I said, I made this
Oh,
slime today.
Also, you have that other game too.
What other game? What?
Snack pop.
No, the... No, it's all good. There we go.
Whee! It's going down, it's going up. I think it should go down. For now,
Alright.
I want to like make a bubble, but I can't because I need to hang out with you guys. And look at this. It looks really shiny, right? Right? Look, it looks
Really?
good.
That already?
It's really squishy.
Okay.
I'm telling you, it's really. When we touch it, it's really, really good. Right, Mom?
Yep.
It's just a can. I like this one better than all of them, right?
They all have their story.
Yep. That are really good. But we can't show you all of them, right?
No.
Because we have too much slime.
Yep, and I think they probably all went
Bad.
bad.
So we have to make more slime videos and more slime.
Okay.
Because we're wasting our slime. Like, we only have like this slime and that slime. Literally, like only those.
Have you heard of the slime zombie?
No. Well, I've heard of the witch that hunts the slime. So she one time, this is my own story. So I hope you like it. Because one time I heard,
I can't see you.
so one time I heard a witch. It's only my story. So
Does that mean that I need to be
Witch?
quiet?
that is, so one time a witch went to someone's house and then they found this thingy that, and then they got used to it and then they started biting all of the slimes. That's the one story that I heard from my okay.
I've heard of the blob. It was like a
Can we please
giant
stop
slime.
telling stories?
Okay, anyways, done. Wrapping out. Peace out.